Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Koodo Internet. In this Koodo Internet review, we'll explore their services, target audience, key features, and my first-hand experience to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Koodo, a well-established mobile provider in Canada, also offers home internet services in select regions. Operating as a subsidiary of TELUS, Koodo utilizes TELUS's robust infrastructure to provide dependable high-speed internet access. Their plans are designed with simplicity and affordability in mind, featuring a straightforward setup process and the convenience of no annual contracts. This makes Koodo an appealing option for budget-conscious consumers and those who prioritize service flexibility. Koodo's internet plans are primarily geared towards households with basic to moderate bandwidth requirements. The speeds offered are suitable for everyday online activities such as web browsing, streaming content, and remote work. A significant advantage of Koodo's plans is the inclusion of unlimited data, eliminating concerns about overage charges. This is particularly advantageous for families or individuals who frequently use streaming platforms or engage in online gaming. One of Koodo's most attractive features is its transparent pricing structure. Often, their plans include promotional offers and discounts, especially for existing Koodo mobile customers. This makes their internet service even more enticing for those already within the Koodo mobile ecosystem. Furthermore, the installation process is designed to be quick and user-friendly, typically involving a simple self-install kit, saving you the time and inconvenience of waiting for a technician appointment. Throughout my personal experience using Koodo, the service proved consistently reliable for everyday internet usage. Streaming HD videos and browsing the web on multiple devices simultaneously posed no noticeable lag or interruptions. Customer support was easily accessible and helpful, mirroring the quality of service Koodo is known for in its mobile offerings. However, it's important to note that Koodo's internet service is currently limited in availability, concentrated in specific regions within Canada. Additionally, their speed options may not satisfy the demands of heavy internet users or those requiring gigabit speeds for more intensive online activities. In conclusion, Koodo Internet offers a reliable and affordable option for light to moderate users, especially those already utilizing Koodo mobile services. Its straightforward setup, unlimited data, and no-contract flexibility make it an attractive choice. Be sure to check the description below for links to Koodo's plans and current offers. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.